Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this section, we are going to discuss about the calculation of work done in isothermal process. Now, isothermal process calculation of work done in two ways. One is of work done in isothermal process reversible and calculation of work done in isothermal process irreversible. First one, what is isothermal process? Now already you know that in my previous class isothermal process. What is isothermal process? Isothermal process is a iso means same and thermal means a temperature. Same temperature maintain the process that is called as isothermal process. Now in isothermal process dt or delta T or dt is equal to 0. Change in temperature is equal to 0. In case the constant temperature is maintained to the this process is called as isothermal process. Now in work done in isothermal process, now work done in isothermal process, first way is irreversible. Work done in irreversible or free expansion of ideal gas. Now I am talking about the free expansion of an ideal gas. Now in work done in isothermal process only talk about the expansion of gas. Now in expansion of gas, the gas is ideal gas. Work in irreversible or free expansion of an ideal gas. Now what happened? In irreversible or free expansion, pressure is equal to 0. Pressure is equal to 0 in reversible or free expansion because the pressure is constant in free expansion of gas in reversible process. Now whenever the P is equal to 0, work done is equal to P external into delta V. Now in reversible or free expansion of gas, P is equal to 0. Now W is equal to 0. This is the concept of the work done in or free expansion of ideal gas in isothermal process. Now in isothermal process, delta T or dt is equal to 0. W is equal to 0 or delta T or dt is equal to 0. Now in internal energy is a function of temperature. Whenever the temperature change in temperature is equal to 0, internal energy is also 0. Therefore delta E is equal to in delta E is equal to 0 in reversible process. Whenever delta E is equal to 0, first law of thermodynamics FLTD. What is first law of thermodynamics? Change in internal energy is equal to Q plus W. Now delta E is equal to also 0 and Q plus W work done is equal to 0. Therefore Q is equal to 0. In work done in reversible or free expansion of an ideal gas, pressure is equal to 0, work is equal to 0, delta E is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 0. In change in enthalpy is equal to NCP dt. In dt or delta T is also 0. This is CP is called as molar specific heat capacity at constant pressure. Now delta H is equal to 0 because delta T is equal to 0 because this is the isothermal process. Now work done in reversible or free expansion of an ideal gas, change in internal energy 0 and change in enthalpy 0 and work is 0 and Q is 0. These total overall terms are 0 in work done in irreversible process in isothermal process. This is the work done calculation of work done in isothermal process. Now in another way, work done in reversible process, work done in reversible process, what happened? This is isothermal process delta T or dt is equal to 0. 0. Now temperature is a function of internal energy or enthalpy. Temperature is a function of internal energy or enthalpy. Now what happened? Change in internal energy or change in enthalpy is equal to 0. Now work done is equal to W is equal to P external into dV. Now in work done in reversible process, the gas is infinitely step. Expansion of gas is infinitely step. It means the small change, that is called dW is equal to P into dV. This is small change. But as now in ideal gas, PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. It means P is equal to nRT by V. This P value is substituted in this equation. Now dW is equal to nRT by V into dV. Now this is the small change, but the small expansion of gas. But now we have to find out the total expansion of gas. Now this equation is integration integration of dW is equal to nRT is constant into integration of dV by V. This T is also constant because this is the isothermal process. N is the number of moles, R is equal to universal gas. This is also constant. Now what happened? dW, integration of dW is equal to W into nRT, integration of dV by V. 1 by V, integration of 1 by V is called as ln. But this is the gas expansion is V1 to V2. Now what happened? Ln V2 minus ln V1. Now upper limits by lower limits, ln upper limits by lower limits, therefore ln V2 minus ln V1. Now what happened? Ln A minus B is called as W is equal to nRT ln V2 by V1. This is the W is equal to nRT ln V2 by V1. Now what happened? W is equal to, this is the ln, but the converted to the natural logs, it means log. Therefore the value is 2.303 nRT into log V2 by V1. This is the work done in terms of volume. Now in terms of pressure, this is the in terms of volume. Now work done in reversible in terms of pressure, what happened? Now this is the ideal gas is present in this equation. Now ideal gas equation according to Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant. It means pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. Now PV is equal to constant. It means P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Now what happened? P1 by P2 is equal to V2 by V1. Therefore V2 by V1, this value is substituted in this place. Now W is equal to 2.303 nRT log P1 by P2. This is the work done in reversible process in terms of pressure. This is work done in reversible process in terms of volume. This is the concept of the calculation of work done in isothermal process. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.